We knew case counts would increase as more testing became available, but this week, people in their 40s or younger account for nearly 90% of new infections in Hidalgo County. Channel 5's Rudy Mireles with a closer look at the numbers.
Over the last few weeks, we've broken out the data on different groups of cases in different areas of the valley. But as cases continue to trend up slightly, as you can see right here, a new group has taken the lead in Hidalgo County. Breaking it down further, here is Hidalgo County's curve. Here we do see it start to head down just a little bit. But when we break it down even further, this time by age, we get this chart. That light green with spikes you see throughout here, that's the 20 to 29-year-old age group. Mild risk and more likely to be asymptomatic according to the CDC. Now this chart helps visualize it just a little bit better. The lines here represent the 4 CDC age categories based on risk to see complications that will lead to hospitalization. So far, those rates in the valley and statewide have been low. Now that's the data the governor and his team are looking at when making decisions. Green is mild risk, 39 years old and younger. Yellow and gold, moderate to severe risk, 40 to 59 and 60 to 69 years old. And red represents those over 70, at severe risk for complications from contracting coronavirus. Now, as you can see here, that red and gold, they start to trend down or stay relatively flat. Now that yellow, and even more worrisome, that green, those are trending up. With more testing, more positive results are likely to come. Now, that's just basic math. Hidalgo County Public Affairs Director Carlos Sanchez says the valley's lifestyle may be the cause to those younger age increases.
Hidalgo County, like Cameron County, has a lot of family units in which there are multiple generations, that they're finding more cases of younger people as they test. So someone who is older and more likely to get it in a harsher condition, they not only test that person, but then they test the entire family unit.
Now, these are the numbers for those risk categories. At 216, younger people lead the way. Now, breaking that out just a little bit further brings us right here. 105 cases in the 29 to 29-year-old category. Sanchez says that does make sense demographically.
Hidalgo County has a relatively younger population than most other counties in Texas. The median age for someone in Hidalgo County is 29 years old. And most of the cases that I think you're analyzing are people in their 20s.
Now, with some of those cases only being tested as a result of contact tracing, it's clear that young asymptomatic individuals pose a threat of transmission. As the holiday weekend begins, local and state health officials are reminding residents to keep wearing a mask, to keep a distance from others, and to not meet with people from other households. In Brownsville, Rudy Mireles, Channel 5 News at 10.